Hi YouTube fam! Oh, I'm giving you a big hug. I hope you're having a nice day or afternoon or evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. But today we're gonna talk product empties, and I'm so excited. I've never done one of these videos before. You know who I love to watch these from is Taylor Wynn. You guys probably have heard of her before. She's got lots of subscribers and she's very well known in the makeup community. Jesse's watching Penelope right now, so you might hear them in the background. But I have a basket full of empties here that I'm excited to talk about. Some of them are awesome. Some of them I just used up to use up. One of them is I couldn't even use up, so we're just going to talk about everything in here. And I also want to remind you that I did just launch a new merch collection. Well, I launched two. I launched a Luna and then a Soul collection, so a sun and a moon, and that will be linked in the description box for you guys. And I think that's all the updates I have for you guys. How are you all doing? How's everyone's 2021 been so far? Peep it in the comments for me. But anyways, first item I'm going to talk about is these are grimy too, by the way. Like they're used, they've been loved. So if you were to buy these, they would come obviously nice and new. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description box as well. So this is the Purador Hair Loss Prevention Therapy Shampoo. It has, let's see, argan oil. It also has vitamins, including biotin and niacin, no harmful chemicals, no sulfates, no parabens, gluten-free, unisex, all hair types. And it does say that the clinical study is an 8-week clinical study. And I will say that about this is that honestly, it's unrealistic to expect a product to like grow your hair really fast. But this is one of those products that if you go through a bottle, you will notice a difference in your hair. I really do like it. It did take me a while to go through this, but I really like it. Definitely check it out if you're looking for like a natural shampoo. It is a little pricey, so this is something that maybe you can ask for a birthday, Valentine's Day. Hopefully this video goes up before Valentine's Day. It might not, who knows, but you get what I'm trying to say. So next thing, we'll talk about another hair item that is a little bit more affordable. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. You guys, this stuff is bomb. It's so affordable. I think I want to say it's like $6 and it comes in a big jar. And ooh, it smells really nice. So it's made with almond and protein and ceramides. It's for damaged hair. It claims to help repair up to 1 year of damage to hair smoothness in one use, and I agree. This stuff makes your hair smooth. I use it as a regular conditioner, so I'll just buy my shampoo and then sometimes use this as a conditioner. So this stuff is bomb. I actually buy this for a lot of people too, so if you're like one of my friends or family watching this, I might have bought this for you. I have a lot of hair items in here actually. So the next item I actually didn't finish and I feel really guilty for wasting and doing this, but I'm actually gonna toss it. It's actually by the same brand, same line. It's the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Conditioner. This one, these are like night and day. This one's bomb, this one's awful. I don't feel like it does much. I don't know. It's very average. I have so many other hair conditioners that I like better, and this has been sitting in my shower for maybe, I don't know, 2 years, and it's still full, and I'm just like, I don't like it. So there's that. We'll switch it up and talk about makeup for a little bit. So the first thing that I used completely is my Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express. If you've been around my channel for a while, you'll know this has been my go-to for forever. I do get the waterproof version. And what I like about this particular formula is it's the Mega Plush. So your eyelashes, I was about to say your lipstick. I don't think you would definitely not want crunchy lipstick, but I don't like crunchy eyelashes. A lot of waterproof mascaras are I don't know, crunchy. And so what I do is I curl my lashes after I apply mascara. So I don't want something that's crunchy or flaky. And that's what I love about the Plush collection, or the Plush mascara, is it makes your lashes nice and soft. But the waterproof, again, little trick for you guys, if you have straight lashes, sorry, I heard Penelope. She is in her 2-year-old stage. She is a full-on toddler. She's gonna be 2 in March, you guys. I can't believe it. Sorry, I can't help it. Anyways, a little trick is waterproof mascara will help your lashes stay curled and up. It's kind of like a hairspray. So anyways, this one's bomb. I've probably used a bajillion of these in my lifetime. It's my #1 staple mascara. Another staple that I love is the It Cosmetics No. 50 Serum Collagen Veil Anti-Aging Primer. This stuff is bomb. I'm not a big primer gal. I really don't use them very often unless if they're like a skincare duo, or I usually just use moisturizers or serums. But this one is exactly what it is. It's got 50 plus hydrating anti-aging peptides, essential lipid-rich oils, vitamins, extracts, and botanicals. It's got innovative technology, and it really is anti-aging. It's good for all skin types. I don't know. I have nothing bad to say about this primer. You can even use it as like a moisturizer because it does have all of the good ingredients for it. So yeah, I love this. I think this is the second one that I've gone through, to be honest. So this is really good. Let's see. Let's talk about a makeup remover. It's the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. So this I think I got in like a FabFitFun or a BoxyCharm. It was my first cleansing oil that I had ever tried, and I really liked it, actually. It took me a long time to use it up, but it took off my makeup pretty well. I would usually use this kind of before I go into the shower. So like, for example, after putting on a full face of makeup like I have today, I would put this on a cotton ball and it would just take off all of my makeup. I'd put it all over and then just get in the shower and then wash my face with like a cleanser. So this is really, really good for taking off makeup. It is pricey, I think. I would say the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, it actually works just as good as this stuff, but it's a little bit cheaper. But again, this was not a bad item, so I did really like that. This is a random item. This is the KidSense Sleepyize Therapeutic Grade Essential Oil from Young Living. So this stuff is bomb. I have to say, we ordered this because Penelope is not the best sleeper, and so we would put this on her feet and on her like chest and behind her ears. They also say to put it at the base of their skull, like on their neck, and it's just, it smells really, really good too. It's got like a lavender smell to it. It has a couple other smells in there as well, but it just helps her relax. It helps her kind of calm down and just soothe any kind of static energy. And yeah, I really, really like this. If you're a diffuser type person, you can put it in a diffuser. It smells really, really good. I actually don't really actively sell Young Living, but I will link one of the gals that I technically signed up under just to get their products. They're amazing. I don't know, I'll link them both. I'll link Casey and I'll link Rachel. They're amazing. They both just had babies. They're both mamas of 3 now. It's really, really cool. So just pick whichever one, and that's who you can get these through. So I love this. Clearly we went through it very quick. So I have 2 more items in here, and they both are conditioners. So first is the RC. I always say that. I always want to say RC & Co. It's R & Co. is the brand. It's their television line perfect hair conditioner. So I'm not a big fan. I don't know. I used it all. This was one of those products that I'm like, you know what? I have it. I'll use it. It's not bad, but I don't think it deserves the price tag. They do have a deep conditioner in this line, the television. It's actually gray, and that one's really good, but the regular conditioner, I don't know. It's kind of like the Elvive, like the hair mask and conditioners are bomb, but then the regular conditioners are kind of just like, I don't know, lackluster, but it did use it up, so there's that. The other thing that I think is bomb, I don't know which is better. I want to say this one might be a little bit better than the Elvive. They're very, very close though. No, you know what? I would say they're equal. They're just, I don't know, guys. These both are bomb. But this one is the Keratin Renewal Hair Mask with aloe, rosemary extract, and keratin protein. It restores and smooths, no paraben or sodium chloride. It's color and straightener safe. It's UV protectant. So this stuff is amazing. I actually got this sent to me for free, but I used it up right away. It works really, really well. And I believe I might have a code for you guys. Check out the description box where this is linked. But anyways, this is really, really good. And I think that concludes our show today, guys. But yeah, that was the basket of empties that I wanted to talk about and show you. Guys, let me know by the thumbs up or thumbs down button. Do you guys like these videos? Do you want to see more empties from me? Is it boring? Do you like it? Let me know, and then you can also let me know in the comments as well. Do I have anything else to like send you off with other than a big, warm, tight squeeze hug? The Hug and Ron Ratchet merch is still available, by the way. If you didn't get a chance to get your Hugs t-shirt or your Ron Ratchet, I still have those available as well. It'll be linked down below. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you very, very, very much for taking time out of your day to come watch my video, support me. I really, really appreciate you so much. And oh, make sure you're subscribed. If you're watching this and are not subscribed, make sure so you can become a part of the YouTube family. Okay, I'll let you go for reals. Catch you on my next video.